What if you could turn a few handfuls of dried leaves into a highly profitable, multi-million-dollar wellness brand? Welcome to the booming health and wellness industry. Today, consumers are abandoning sugary artificial drinks and actively searching for natural, functional beverages. While traditional tea companies sell cheap, mass-produced bags for pennies, smart entrepreneurs are creating luxury, handcrafted herbal blends and selling them at massive premium prices. Today, I am going to show you the exact blueprint to start a highly profitable herbal tea blending business from your own kitchen. Let's get into it. Let's break down the math, because the profit margins in the herbal tea business are absolutely mind-blowing. A single pound of raw chamomile or peppermint might cost you $15. But when you create a signature blend and package it into 2-ounce premium tins, you can easily sell them for $20 each. That is turning a $15 investment into over $150 of pure revenue. So, what goes into a premium product? Here is the secret to a viral tea brand. Functional blends. Blend peppermint with ashwagandha and lavender and sell it as a deep sleep and anxiety relief tonic.
Now, how do you create a winning product? A perfect herbal tea needs 3 things: a solid base, a functional herb, and a flavor accent. For example, use a sweet rooibos base. Add hibiscus for a massive dose of vitamin C and a stunning ruby red color, and finish with a hint of dried ginger for a spicy kick. When customers see whole, colorful flower petals floating in their cup, they will gladly pay top dollar. The final step to dominating this niche is your packaging. Create a minimalist, elegant label that highlights words like 100% organic, caffeine-free, and handcrafted. Launch online through Shopify. Promote on TikTok to scale rapidly. Because dried tea is extremely lightweight, your shipping costs will stay incredibly low. Herbal tea blending is an incredibly scalable, low-risk business that taps directly into the booming global wellness trend. Are you ready to create your own signature blend? Let me know what functional tea you would create in the comments below. If you found this video valuable and want to discover more high-profit business models, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.